Hi everyone!
Hi.
So I have my friend Abby here with me and we're going to play the YASUHATI game. So basically you have to use your voice to make the character jump.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's get started. Okay. Oh, I had the timer as well. Okay, keep.
Okay.
Ba 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 ba. La. Okay, okay, this is a short one. Go, come on! Is it good? Oh, what's that one? Okay, one. A B C D E F G H I J Q R L M N. Hope you guys enjoy this game. Try it out if you want because it's pretty fun, but we failed. We didn't want to go into the stage 2.
Yeah.
The longest we did was like 30 seconds, so yeah. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Bye bye.